Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the gym league. This is the first day. This is how you can build your avatar, how you can build your character. So here you can turn on aura or even turn off your aura in this button. So of course this is the newbie stage. This is the first day. So the first thing to do, you can choose your body, your skin color. So maybe you want to turn on green like Hulk. Of course you can do it. The pants color, so you want to choose like a brown. And appeal, the first one is the hair, or you can choose no hair. So the hair, so you can choose your hair. So there are a ton of hair that you can try. This is like a DBZ, and of course you can choose no hair. This is the hair too, sorry. So you can combine. This is base Prince Warrior Z. This is the color of the hair and the face, so you can choose. And the scar, so you want to go with the scar, please use it. So if you think you're done, you can apply. So here we go, this is the first day. So this is more or less of my character. So here we go. The first thing to do, you can follow the arrow in order to talk to around. So welcome to the beach game. It's free for everyone, place that you can transform and so on. So let's start the tutorial. And here we go. So you have to finish the quest by follow the arrow and train yourself. Here we go. So you can click or simply click auto train to train yourself. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.